Hello, 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 hello. Good day. I throw a salute given to my people. How are they today now? Hey, it's been ages. It's been like forever. I miss Una. I miss Una like say I the miss flight. How is everybody doing today? Welcome back to our channel, wonderful men and women of good conscience. I hope you are doing all right. Nnamdi Kanu's court hearing is around the corner. 6 days to go. God go show himself, oh, he go show himself a living God. I won't bring this mama con show now. Buhari, whoever that is in that seat, named Buhari, answering Buhari, whoever is in Aso Rock, Nigerian government, make una listen. No be anụrụ this woman na-ekwu. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally now. Otherwise, I no go help her now. I no fit help her now. And last time I heard Andy Oba said releasing Nnamdi Kanu so that the insecurity in the east will stop. But keep holding Nnamdi Kanu at your own peril. I no fit help her, but if na me be una, no fit be una now dead too wicked. I no go fit be una, God forbid. But I would suggest make una release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If una want peace, the one Nigeria one are the first people to come join, one are the first people to stay. Una no they do anything, una no they help on herself. Why una they force us to stay in one Nigeria where nothing they work? Why? Why must we stay in Nigeria? Other countries are still using their loonies. This is just an example. They are still using their coins, but in Nigeria you can't use 5 naira to buy anything. 10 naira cannot buy anything, let alone of coins. The coins no longer exist. I remember when we were growing up, we used to use coins to go to school to buy snacks, but coins are no longer in existence. So, well, I don't want to talk too much. Let's jump into the video. Listen to this grandma. Ha. I got the one I can't go my bow.
Bugatti haram mammo, wakara bem chadi haram mammo, Bugatti nyenem giwani seregebe, Bugatti odidin tolenu, Omo biafara hukwadnaga nyao Women on Yazuga Buhari Zikweda non tele mebe Anya hono zani shaga Buhari letu omokoro bia manama Ibole nene ao Itokwadi buyeni Omo biafara hukwalagi Lei Buhari chelege puwa wetu aka Amini mana na buropoga mowo Buhari letu onye gari jejalala Ayi siga tipalani Ile nyenu mobonya akai Ile nyene ndara ya akale Nge kodara na Nigeria Omo nwamba na avugono Wetu aka otrisi ke ebuolegi Omo biafara gadi ikeni Gadi ji n'otu woganya Buhari gedeko ni wem kugeregi ye Oma bibo ye Ome mboji ye Unu jikere lo wogo unu ke lo Omo biafara obi akala hi Onye gari jegela la obi akala hi mbiteri o.
Oh yes.